This is a video walkthrough tour of 12765 West Burnside Trail in Peoria, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom home, featuring modern upgrades and a thoughtfully designed layout. Just off the entrance, a comfortable bedroom with carpet flooring and a ceiling fan sits conveniently near the hall bath. As you can see, the warm neutral paint palette and wood-look tile flooring set a welcoming tone throughout the main living areas. Residents enjoy exceptional amenities, including the 15,000 square foot Mountain Vista Club with multiple pools, water slides, a lap pool, an indoor basketball gymnasium, lighted tennis courts, and a game lawn. The Foothills Center offers a heated lap pool, playground, picnic ramadas, and outdoor lounge areas. A separate den or office, also with a ceiling fan, provides the ideal space for remote work or quiet relaxation. The upgraded kitchen includes a large center island with seating and a sink, stone countertops, stainless steel appliances, a built-in gas cooktop, tiled backsplash, and abundant cabinet storage with pantry cabinets featuring pull-out shelves. It flows seamlessly into the open living room, highlighted by a blue accent wall, a ceiling fan, and sliding door access to the backyard. The private backyard features turf, decorative rock, a covered patio, and a built-up seating area, ideal for year-round enjoyment. The primary suite offers laminate flooring, ample natural light, and a ceiling fan. Its spa-like ensuite bathroom features a massive walk-in shower with dual shower heads, a private water closet, a dual sink vanity with stone counters, a linen closet, and a spacious walk-in closet. Schedule your viewing today.